Hi dear all students. In a previous video, we learned about few properties of air. Today, one more property we'll learn here by one experiment. You well know student, lot of time you may observe these things at your home level. See figure here 3.4. Water droplets collected outside the glass. Suppose student you took one glass and take some ice cubes inside that glass. Ice cubes means बर्फाचे खडे. At room temperature, after few minutes, you can observe that water glass. You can see that water droplets are collected outside to that glass. Why this happened? How did the water droplets appear on the outside of the glass? Because due to the ice cubes in the glass, the air surrounding the glass also cools down. As the water vapor in this air cools down, it condenses and gets transformed into water. It is this water that collects on the outer surface of the glass. ग्लासाच्या आतील बर्फाचे खडे थंड असल्यामुळे आजूबाजूची हवा देखील थंड बनते आणि ग्लासाच्या बाहेर असलेली हवा जी वेपर कंडिशनमध्ये असते, वाफेमध्ये असते, ती सुद्धा थंड होते आणि त्या वाफेचे रूपांतर पाण्याच्या थेंबात होऊन ते ग्लासभोवती आपल्याला दिसते. It is this water that collects on the outer surface of the glass. The level of humidity is different in different places. Similarly, the humidity levels also change from time to time during the period of a single day. The level of humidity of the air is determined by its capacity to hold water vapor. During the night or at dawn, when the temperature of air is low, its capacity to hold the vapor is less. At such time, the excess vapor is transformed into water droplets. This is what we call as a dew. मराठीमध्ये त्याला आपण दव पडणे असं म्हणतो. धुकं पडणे, दव पडणे. In the afternoon, when the temperature of the air is high, the capacity of the air to hold a moisture also increases. Then compared to its full capacity to hold water, the proportion of moisture in the air is less and we feel that the air is dry. The proportion of water vapor in the air is high during the monsoons and in coastal areas. As a result, we feel the dampness or humidity. हवेत आपल्याला ओलसरपणा जाणवतो. In summer, wet clothes dry quickly, but in the rains, they do not. Student, use your brain power to give these answers. See student, air available surrounding to us is depend on that temperature. Maybe that air is cool or maybe that air is hot. If the air surrounding to us is too cool, that is we may call as a winter season. You may observe If early morning you saw the area, maybe presence of dew is there. धुकं, आपल्याला समोरचं काहीच दिसत नाही आणि धूर उडाल्यासारखा वाटतो आणि हवेत गारवा पण असतो. In this condition, lot of time you may observe students on leaf of a plant, small drop of water are available, and if that droplets remain for a longer duration, and if sun rays came inside to that water droplets that look like a beautiful pearls. So natural resources give this beauty to nature also. According to season, according to weather, according to the area, every place air coolness or temperature is not same. It depends on the location of that area. In a summer season, the air is not too much cool. That's why we may feel dampness or humidity. दमट हवा आजूबाजूला असेल तर ह्युमिडिटी वाटते. In summer, wet clothes dry quickly because of the temperature is more, and this temperature, due to this extra temperature, the wet cloth water is get absorbed by the air near to that clothes in a very strong way, and as a result quickly that cloth become dry and we can take that inside the house. Some people are maybe using washing machine for this purpose, but generally lot of people are depend on sun rays for drying their clothes. कपडे धुतल्यानंतर ते सुकविण्यासाठी बरेच लोक उन्हाचा वापर करतात. आपण घराच्या बाहेर कपडे सुकवत टाकतो दोरीवर तारेवर आणि ते कपडे उन्हाच्या तीव्रतेमुळे त्यातली टेम्परेचरमुळे पटकन सुकतात. But you may observe in a rainy season this not happen quickly. Rainy season, due to water presence, due to rainfall, the clothes not dry quickly. Lot of more other things also explain here on the same page. Dip an uncorked inverted empty bottle in a slanting position into the water in a wide position into the water. What do you observe? What change take place in a balloon on feeling air in it? We come to know from activities above that air has properties like occupying space, having a certain volume, having mass and weight. So, air is a mixture of very fine particles of some gases, dust, smoke and moisture. When rays of light falls on these minute particles, the particles spread the light in all the directions. This natural phenomenon is called as a scattering of light. You may observe this example with the help of torch also, student. If you on a torch and rotate in a dark area, you can observe the focus of that scattering of light. In a straight way, in all directions, the spreading of light is there. And in air, lot of minute particles are available there which cannot be seen with our naked eyes, but we can see them in these sun rays. Student, you may observe Early in the morning in your house from window, if sun rays are coming directly inside your home, you can see in that focus of light lot of particles are available, and they are going from one place to another in air. It shows air is a mixture of very fine particles of some gases, dust, smoke and moisture. घरामध्ये असलेल्या झरोका ज्यामधून आपल्याला हवेमध्ये असलेले छोट्यातले छोटे फाईन पार्टिकल्स पण दिसतात. So this natural phenomenon is called as scattering of light. If possible, you please observe this one time. This bottle experiment properties of air shows when that bottle is goes slanting in a bucket, the water bubbles are coming up when the bottle is getting filled with the water. This is also a phenomena of scattering of light. So today's your homework is to read this page very properly for your understanding. Next video we learn more about this topic. Be safe. Thank you and have a nice day today.